Welcome, today I am with Google Pixel 6 from the European distribution, and we are going to check if this device comes with factory screen protection. So take a look on the front screen. I'm gonna just turn off the screen, and when you take a look closely right here for the edges or for camera, unfortunately we cannot find here protection in any way. There's no foil, no tempered glass. So if you want to protect your display from scratches, you can simply apply some kind of the tempered glass, like for example this one. So yeah, that's all. If you find this video helpful, remember to like, comment and subscribe.